In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count specific names in Google Sheets. This simple yet efficient trick will certainly enhance the way you manage and analyze your data. Let's dive right in with step-by-step instructions to help you get a clearer picture of how this works. First, start by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage and selecting a new blank spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet with data that you want to work with, simply open that file. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume you are dealing with a list of color names in column B and column C, each containing a mix of different color names. Now, once your sheet is open, we're going to focus on how to use the COUNTIF function to count specific names from these lists. Start by clicking on cell B9, which is where you would like the result of your count to be displayed. Type in the formula x count if B2 B7 blue. This function will count the number of cells within the range B2 to B7 that exactly match the name blue. It's important to note here that the text must match exactly as typed in your formula, as COUNTIF is case-sensitive and precise. After typing in the formula, simply hit the Enter key to execute it. You'll see the result instantly populate in cell B9, giving you the count of how many times the name blue appears in your specified range. This is a great feature for quick data analysis. Next, let's move on to cell C9. Here, we'll use a slightly different version of the COUNTIF function. Click on cell C9 and type in x COUNTIF C2 C7 black. The asterisks in this formula are wildcards, meaning it will count any instance where black appears within a name. This is extremely useful when you want to count cells that contain a specific keyword rather than an exact match. For example, this could identify variations like BlackBerry or Jet Black. Again, hit the Enter key to execute this formula. You'll see the result populate in cell C9, showing you the count of any names containing the word black. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to count names using Google Sheets. This method is incredibly versatile, allowing you to adapt it to different datasets and criteria. With practice, you'll find it becomes an invaluable tool for sorting and summing up specific data in your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your Google Sheets expertise.